Go.
Ooh, wonder where my kitty went. I'm gonna go somewhere. Hey kitty, you wanna play hide and seek? Come find me. Kitty? Kitty? Hey, where up?
Meow.
Found me. Let's play again.
I'll hide inside. Let's go,
Oh, my
let's go, let's go,
kitty.
guys.
I found my kitty. I found my kitty. I found it.
How long have I been lost? I ran away and then I don't know how long I've been lost for.
9 years. 6 years.
9 months, I think.
6 years. 9 months.
Wow. I'm going over here.
Where were you? Hey kitty, where were you this whole entire time?
I have no freaking...
B.
Wait, remember that one time that bee stung me right in the freaking mouth or whatever?
Hey kitty. Yep. Hey kitty, can I take a selfie with you?
Okay. No shit.
Can I come in too? Yes.
Please get in here.
How about one with Cat and then Chef Pee Pee? We got video.
Yay! I'm going over there.
I'm gonna follow you guys on YouTube.
Fine.
Hey, guess what? I found a place to sit for these 9 months.
Where?
Over here. Preston's puppy.
She's nice, Chef Pee Pee. Can't believe I ran away. I ran away because
Where
of...
were you?
I ran away because of Black Yoshi.
Why? What did you do?
Still stole money again. Or KFC chicken, I mean.
He stole your KFC chicken.
Yeah. Remember that one time you bought it for me?
I did.
Yes.
When I bought you like a million times. You mean when I bought you?
Remember that one time you met me and I was on this tree? Remember?
That was like 9 months ago.
I know.
What's your YouTube name? No, that was like 16 months ago.
Not even close.
Well, about 10
I
or
guess.
13. Because I lost you 9 months ago. Or for 9 months.
Wait, follow me, Chef
And I
Pee Pee.
found you 10 months. And I found you about like 6. And I found you about a year ago.
No, 2 minutes ago.
No, I meant like when I first found you in the tree.
Oh, yeah.
That was like 15 months ago or something like that. You were not in this tree, but you were in that tree.
I know.
Anyway, guess what? After all these years, I found a place
Where?
over here. So, I kind of wanted to make this a kitchen, but I failed. All I could find outside was a bush, another bush, a rock, and some bricks and wood chips.
Tommy! I haven't seen you in 9 months. I haven't seen you in 9 months. Seriously. Remember I got stung by the bee?
Who are you?
I'm a cat. Remember me? Remember you? I think Chef Pee Pee might have told you, but I don't know if he told you. He found me in the street.
Hey, cat, look, I got some more muscles too.
You have no muscles, so shush. Do you want me to start meowing like an actual cat?
No. Hey, cat.
No.
Stop right there. Shut up.
I'm out.
Hey, cat, let's go sit.
Does this say slow cat at play?
It says slow children.
I'm a cat, man.
Sitting.
Stupid, I'm a cat. Not a freaking child. I'm a cat.
I'm about 41.
And I'm Tommy. You're a kid.
I'm 41 years old.
Wait, how old am I in cat years?
Like
5?
like 50?
Hell no.
Well, in cat years, you're like 14.
Yeah, that's the next age, actually.
And then human years for me, I'm about like 280.
That's not even a thing. You're 41. I thought.
Yeah, I am. So I'm like two. In dog ages, I am 240 or something like that. 280.
How old are you? Like, wait, no. When's your birthday?
June 11th.
It's past that. It's July 1st.
So my birthday was a couple days ago.
Let's look at me, like, rubbing my fur.
I'm just kidding. You want what? Want me to rub your fur?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm out.
It's Black Yoshi!
And Bowser Jr.
Where's Bowser?
They're sitting on the ledge
Junior.
looking at the mountains.
There's no mountains over there.
There's trees, stupid.
Oh, geez.
Look, Bowser Jr. is right there.
Hey, what for? You wanna go play some Thomas?
Really?
Yeah, sure.
Thomas the Train, you still like Thomas?
Yeah, sure.
You're like 5,000 years older.
Bitch. Okay, let's go play some Thomas.
I'm guessing he likes Thomas because he has a bib on. His name's Bowser Jr.
Yeah!
Wait, I forgot that people.
Thomas!
Wait! Junior, you can't ride a bike yet! You're gonna die!
Good job, boy.
Sorry for your loss.
Shit, pee.
Yeah.
How? Wait, do you like Bowser Jr.?
Guys, Bowser Jr. is about to have a heart attack.
Not really.
Guys, Bowser Jr. is having a heart attack.
He's only like 10, man.
He's 13.
How old is Black Yoshi?
I have no freaking
He's
clue.
like 30.
Black Yoshi is about to have a heart attack off the mountain.
He's about like 20 or something like that.
Jerry. Shit, baby.
What?
Can I get some cat food?
Cat
Guys,
food?
and then he
Yeah,
said, what
sure.
is Black Yoshi doing down there?
Thanks, baby.
Hey, Cat, what happened to Black Yoshi? I got your cat food.
Yay!
Sleeping Cat, what happened now? Black Yoshi.
Did he die or what?
It's Bowser Jr.
Where is it?
Right here.
That's
Did you
cat.
take Bowser Jr.? Did you take Bowser Jr.?
Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. I'm eating it.
Good job, Cat. Now what do you want? What do you want now? Can you go play hide and seek?
Okay, I had first. Count to 10.
5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
He's never gonna find me here.
7,
He's never gonna find me.
9, 10. Ready or not, you're my phone.
Where is he? Found you.
Oh, that was such a good hiding place. Now your turn to hide. I'm gonna go here.
I'm getting cake.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where could he be? Found you.
Oh man, this is getting boring.
Guys. Something happened to Black Yoshi.
What? Let's go. Fine. Let's go see. I'm so surprised I'm back with you, Chef Pee-Pee.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Lying on the floor behind me. What? Just lying on the floor.
Does he have a pulse? Let me see.
I don't know.
He has a
You wanna
pulse.
see something
Yeah, he has a
funny?
pulse.
I'm so weak. You want to see my flex?
Let's put him on the porch, guys.
Knocked out.
Let's put him on the porch.
We need a doctor. Guys, I think he's knocked out.
I'm gonna go get a doctor. I'm gonna go get a doctor, guys. I think this is the doctor's office.
Dustin, you keep knocking into your mom's plant.
He's choking on something.
Even though I tried fighting with you with that time, Chef Pee-Pee, I'm a doctor.
It's a magic duck.
Guys,
It's a magic duck.
Okay,
he's
fix
choking. He's
him.
choking on hard candy.
Hit his stomach or
Oh.
something. Let me try.
No, don't touch it. Let me just do this. Let me do
Fine,
this.
guys, I'm fine.
Is he fine?
I did it.
Fine.
I did it.
Good job. Wait. You want to be friends?
Guys,
Those
now Bowser
dogs chase
Jr.
cats.
Now Bowser
Not
Jr.
all of them.
Guys, now Bowser
Oh, okay. have a doctor, so
Something happened to Bowser Jr.
I have to take my bath.
Are you serious right now? That's Bowser Jr. Oh, let's go get him too.
What is happening?
I know. Is it like a disease going around or something? Come on, Bowser Jr. Let's go.
Sweet Black Yoshi happened again.
Come on, Bowser Jr.
Guys, I have to go on vacation.
Where are you going?
Texas.
Can I come with you?
Sure.
Bowser Jr. is gonna stay here.
I'm just gonna sit in the camper van. Is he driving?
Are we in Texas?
Is he driving?
Come on, Chip Pee Pee. Can I sit on your lap, Chip Pee Pee?
Hey, guess what?
Can I sit in your
I
lap?
got you a new friend.
Thank you.
He dies.
So,
Chef BB has to cook.
Guys,
Oh, you get off?
I'm gonna go swim in the master's pool.
bye, Black Yoshi. Don't choke again. Are you serious right now?
Bring him to the camper van and call a doctor.
Come on, let's go. Let's go back to Wisconsin. Actually, I mean Illinois.
Yeah, we live in Illinois, stupid.
Yeah. So,
See this? It looks like Illinois, right?
It looks like my butt.
let's go to the doctor, guys. Come on.
Where?
Wait, where we go?
Doctors, come on.
Guys, let's go inside.
Oh, we gotta go to the doctors.
inside of the
Follow me. Let's go to the
No,
doctors.
guys, just pretend inside the house is a doctor. Have a conversation.
Come on. Do 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 do.